I stole it from my room. Yeah, because my mom has a horrible taste in pie.
No, piece of cake.
We could live our like
Yeah, when I worked across the bars,
but it's you know it's a weekend.
Do you really? Oh, thank you. I do appreciate that so much.
They actually instituted.
anything else, she buys.
I just like that.
What do you want, Trish?